In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to detangle your hair the proper way. I'm gonna settle everything. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first, I'm just doing this on my behalf. My hair needs to wash. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and shampoo my hair. So the other day I had gel in my hair. So I'm just rinsing out the gel, and that's why I'm washing my hair. So I'm rinsing out the gel first, and then I'm gonna come in with my shampoo. So I'm using the Aussie shampoo. All the products that I use will be on my Amazon store, link in the description. So go check it out. So right here, I'm not using too much shampoo. I'm using a good bit so it can go all around my head. And I'm just getting the excess dirt out with my fingers, just like so. So now I'm rinsing the shampoo out. So now I am using Herbal Care Replenishing Conditioner. This will be on my Amazon store as well. And I'm just putting the conditioner in my hair to rinse it out. Yo, should I get twists? So right now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner. So now I'm going to apply Quench leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair, and then I'm just gonna leave it in my hair for moisture. So right now I have the unbrush. Chill, this is my mom's, but I have the pink unbrush, and this is what I'm gonna be using to detangle my hair. So I'm applying the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna get ready. So before I start detangling, what I'm doing here is finger detangling. So I'm using my fingers, just like so, to detangle it a bit before I get into detangling it with the unbrush. So now with the unbrush, what you want to do is just take your time, just like so, and you can just grab a section. This is what I did for my whole head. Grab a section and just go through it smoothly and just take your time and you'll be good. So now you guys might have trouble detangling the back and you don't know how to go about it. So what I did is I did the same thing for the front. I just grab a bunch of pieces and just detangle it. This may take longer because my hair's not long enough. I can't really section it. But for shorter hair, this is what you're supposed to do. Alright, so this is what your hair should look like and feel like at the end. Super soft. Your fingers should go through your hair smoothly. So now, since this is leave-in conditioner, I'm not gonna rinse this out. I'm gonna rinse this out tomorrow just to keep the moisture in my hair. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, if you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and put it down in the comments down below if it helped. And without further ado, I'm out. Peace.